This is an apple.
This is an apple.
This is peanut butter.
This is peanut butter.
This is a jam.
This is a jam.
This is honey.
This is honey.
This is a bacon.
This is a bacon.
This is a sausage.
This is a sausage.
This is an egg.
This is an egg.
This is a crab.
This is a crab.
This is a shrimp.
This is a shrimp.
This is a fish.
This is a fish.
This is a chicken.
This is a chicken.
This is a steak.
This is a steak.
These are dumplings.
These are dumplings.
This is a sushi.
This is a sushi.
This is a rice bowl.
This is a rice bowl.
This is a noodle.
This is a noodle.
This is a pasta.
This is a pasta.
This is a hot dog.
This is a hot dog.
This is a pizza.
This is a pizza.
These are bananas.
These are bananas.
This is a burger.
This is a burger.
This is a sandwich.
This is a sandwich.
This is a soup.
This is a soup.
This is a soda.
This is a soda.
This is a smoothie.
This is a smoothie.
This is a juice.
This is a juice.
This is a cup of tea.
This is a cup of tea.
This is a cup of coffee.
This is a cup of coffee.
This is a glass of milk.
This is a glass of milk.
This is a cheese.
This is a cheese.
This is a butter.
This is a butter.
This is a yogurt.
This is a yogurt.
This is an ice cream.
This is an ice cream.
This is a candy.
This is a candy.
These are chocolates.
These are chocolates.
These are biscuits.
These are biscuits.
This is a cake.
This is a cake.
This is bread.
This is bread.
These are cornflakes.
These are cornflakes.
This is wheat.
This is wheat.
This is rice.
This is rice.
These are pumpkin seeds.
These are pumpkin seeds.
These are sesame seeds.
These are sesame seeds.
These are sunflower seeds.
These are sunflower seeds.
This is a chestnut.
This is a chestnut.
This is hazelnut.
This is hazelnut.
This is a pistachio.
This is a pistachio.
These are cashews.
These are cashews.
This is a walnut.
This is a walnut.
This is an almond.
This is an almond.
This is a peanut.
This is a peanut.
This is a pea.
This is a pea.
This is a zucchini.
This is a zucchini.
This is a sweet potato.
This is a sweet potato.
This is a chili.
This is a chili.
This is a ginger.
This is a ginger.
This is a garlic.
This is a garlic.
This is a mushroom.
This is a mushroom.
This is a corn.
This is a corn.
This is a beetroot.
This is a beetroot.
This is a radish.
This is a radish.
This is an eggplant.
This is an eggplant.
This is celery.
This is celery.
This is lettuce.
This is lettuce.
This is spinach.
This is spinach.
This is broccoli.
This is broccoli.
This is a cauliflower.
This is a cauliflower.
This is sushi roll.
This is sushi roll.